Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Bosun Backpack and Windrose. First of all, make sure you've found the foothills biome, and inside of it you'll need to mine some tree bark and iron ore. The tree bark is going to unlock the tanning rack, which is necessary for crafting the tan leather with the Bosun Backpack. Also you'll need some iron ore to make the Bosun Backpack, and you'll need a toolbox to make a level 3 workbench. In the workbench, you can see the Bosun Backpack, on which you'll need a sailor backpack, which is made from torn sailcloth bag, rough hide, which is gained from animals like sow or boar, copper ingots, which are made in the smelting furnace from some copper ore and charcoal, and the tanned leather, which is made in the tanning rack from some rough hide and tannin. The tannin is made in an alchemy table from some clay bottles and tree bark. And lastly, to make the Bosun Backpack, you'll need some foothills iron ingots, which are made in the smelting furnace from some iron ore and charcoal. So once you've gathered all the materials, go ahead and craft it, take it into your inventory, and as you can see, it gives you a lot of storage slots in your inventory. So this is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.